Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to Interesting Engineering, the replacement cost for a Tesla battery is anywhere between $3,000 and $7,000. The price of a battery replacement is mostly dependent on the model and age of the vehicle, but there is good news regarding replacing the batteries in a Tesla.
Take our lead.
Unlike gasoline cars, Tesla cars require no traditional oil changes, fuel filters, spark plug replacements or emission checks. As electric cars, even brake pad replacements are rare because regenerative braking returns energy to the battery, significantly reducing wear on brakes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Maintenance costs for a Tesla Model S over 5 years were at most $2,800 if drivers don't use the prepaid maintenance package as of 2017, while a Mercedes-Benz S-Class racks up $18,000 in maintenance bills and the BMW 7 Series costs about $17,000 over the same period, according to an analysis by a self-described.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.